Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Back up your Google account and any local files to cloud or external storage. Once done, make sure the Chromebook has more than 50% battery or is plugged in. Next, sign out of any profile, then press ESC plus refresh while tapping power to boot into recovery mode. This combination forces the device into the recovery screen so you can trigger a factory reset. You do this now to access the recovery commands needed for the reset. Once in recovery mode, press Ctrl plus D to open the option for power wash or to proceed with recovery options depending on model. You will see prompts asking you to confirm a factory reset, accept these choices, and follow the on-screen confirmations step by step. The system will then download and reinstall Chrome OS if required, so be patient. Make sure you do not close the lid or interrupt power during reinstallation. This ensures a clean, complete reset back to factory state. After the reinstall completes, you will arrive at the out-of-box experience. Complete the setup and sign in with your Google account. If the recovery process fails or the device loops, create USB recovery media on another computer using the Chromebook recovery utility. Make sure to select the exact model name or recovery code for your device. Then boot the Chromebook from that USB to force a fresh OS image install. If that still fails, try a different USB drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.